Okay, well, hello everyone. My name is Dev Karlekar. I work with Devendra and Amrapali at GuruSchools. Most of you are familiar faces. So on behalf of GuruSchools, first of all, let me congratulate you for thinking and planning and opting for an IT training which leads you to the finish line, which is placement. So congratulations, you all. The key thing here is keep that enthusiasm, keep that spirit alive, and make sure you attend as many sessions as you can. The key here is there are 7 sessions in a week. Okay, there'll be 3 technical sessions and there'll be 4 job placement sessions. So basically 7 times you get an opportunity to talk to the subject matter experts at GuruSchools. The 6 pillars, I'm repeating for some of you. We are not a mere training company who's here to throw some video at you, take your hard-earned money, and we are gone. Number one, this will all be free for you. Jana Seva is Ishwar Seva. So basically, we are investing in people in light of the pandemic, in light of the gloomy and doomy environment around us. We're on the brink of war, and where there are millions of people losing their life, millions of people losing their job. That's the best and that's the least we can do, is to create an environment where anybody and everybody can work towards having an employee-driven, kind of a career-driven mindset. We infuse that flame of an IT employee within each one of you, whether you have an IT skills or not. If you have watched any of our introductory video, you will understand many of the courses in IT are reasonably functional in nature. We simply mold you into the IT realm of it. So what you will be getting into are our 6 pillars. The pillar number 1 is an instructor-led interactive live session, which is today's session. And like this, for the next 2 months, all sessions will be led by our 2 rockstar trainers, Devendra and Amrapali, to make sure you get a good overview on Salesforce administration and some business analysis. This is our largest practice. And I take pride in saying majority of the people who have enrolled in this practice, particularly those who are seeking career, they are working. There are some of them, we have placed them before even they could finish the training. Like from the previous batch, I guess some of you might have heard the name Divya Bharti. Within 4 weeks of enrollment, she's on a project and she's working. She's working, and then I guess day before yesterday, she finished her training, but she's already on a project for the last 4 weeks. It's your career. You are looking for a job, not us. If you're willing to give 100%, if you're willing to follow our process, our simple instructions, I will assure you, each one of you will get a 6-figure salary. It's all up to you, how much proactive you are and how much passion you have towards reviving your career primarily in IT. So our 6th pillar, the first pillar already explained, that is instructor-led live online session. The 2nd pillar is course completion diploma certificate. If you attend 75% of the training, have a satisfactory attendance and satisfactory performance given by the trainer, each one of you will be awarded with a course completion diploma from GuruSchools Training Academy, something which you can write in your resume, in your LinkedIn profile, which formulates certain aspects of knowledge in Salesforce administration and business analysis. The third pillar is the most important pillar. That's primarily happens in our job placement sessions. That is a reference ready resume preparation. Okay. We are a Salesforce partner company. We have projects on Salesforce. Both of our trainers, these are lateral professionals. Devendra has about 15 years of work experience. Amrapali has about 9 years of work experience. They have worked on global deployment projects, USA, Europe, as well as the North America clientele. So they understand the Fortune 1000 clients, and they will be giving you a good blend of theoretical and practical experience. You will be able to tease into our projects, either current or recent or past projects. Thereby, it's not only theoretical, but the practical knowledge and the insight will help you towards preparing that reference ready resume as a part of our third pillar. That's the most important pillar. That's the biggest makeover. And that's what regenerates your career profile. Some of you are already attending our job placement sessions, so you know what I'm talking about. The fourth pillar is vendor interview guiding sessions. We work with most of these global outsourcing partners, Indian outsourcing partners, the tier 1 and the preferred vendors within the USA and Canada. Life is all about relationship. Life is all about trust. Life is all about quality. They have tried us for the last 5, 10, 15, 20 years. We already have the signed MSA. We are their incumbent suppliers. Plus, we are a minority business enterprise, meaning we are a diverse supplier. Many of you are from Asia and from India, so you understand reservations, minorities. So in this country also big on reservation minority, whether you're an Asian male, African American, Hispanic, woman-owned business, disabled-owned business, Native American, veteran, service disabled veteran, LGBT. There are different kind of reservations given, preferences given, and a secured business is given. That means basically a red carpet is rolled on. We simply have to walk. Nobody's going to force you. You have to walk. Okay. That's the fourth pillar, vendor interview, questions and answers guiding sessions. We will basically spoon feed you what questions will be asked. We will be spoon feed you what answers to be expected. The vendors are talking to you because they know along with you, there is a performance guarantee given by GuruSchools. And with the help of the trainer, you will come up to the speed. I often say nobody learns in mother's womb. So with the guided environment, each one of you will rock it. The fifth pillar is the client interview preparation. Again, relationship trust. We have people working for many of the clients, and some of these global outsourcing partners have a global engagement where they have people working on site, offsite, nearshore, offshore. They will basically feed you with what the client environment is, with what the questions and what the answers you should be keeping in mind, because they have people deployed. You're much amicable, you're much sober, and you're much competitive than the so-called lateral consultants. So they are more inclined towards placing you. In light of pandemic, in light of falling budgets, in light of rate reduction, you have a leg up over the so-called lateral consultants, experienced consultants. Because everything is remote, all you got to do is heads down, do your job. Nobody has to walk in the halls. Nobody has to do the smooching exercise. Everybody's in their small role in the comfort of their home. So once you get the questions, our trainers will prepare you with the answers. Anyway, we have, I think, 62 or 63 people practice in Salesforce. So you're always getting shadowed by the senior consultants. Those who are senior today, a year or 2 years before, they were just like you. And then over the period of time, they got groomed and they became senior consultants. It's a fraternity, it's a brotherhood, sisterhood. Everybody helps everybody. Okay, end of the day, you need a job. End of the day, it's your career. Remember one thing, crying baby gets the milk. You will see a pattern. Those who are proactive, you will see a pattern. Those who are ahead of the curve in terms of seeking help will be the first to get placed. And you will also see a pattern. Those who are warming up their chair, those who are basically at the receiving end in a reactionary fashion, will have more difficulty towards doing small things. You have the choice to make what you want to do. So that's the fifth pillar, which is the client interview guiding sessions, where we will guide you with the questions and answers. And basically you play to win. Then comes the last pillar, which is equally important. That is post-placement. You get up to 6 months of project support. This all will be free. We have 2 trainers, Devendra and Amrapali, and they take turns towards providing the timely help. And plus, you're also been getting help from the senior consultants. So I repeat, the first pillar is instructor-led interactive live session. The second pillar is course completion diploma certificate. The third pillar is the most important pillar, reference-ready resume preparation. The fourth pillar is vendor interview preparation. The fifth pillar is the client interview preparation. And then comes the sixth pillar, that is, once you get a job, up to 6 months, you get a project support. Many of you have your spouses, friends, fraternities. Please ask them how expensive this is. GuruSchools is offering this for free to you, simply towards providing a relief in this kind of gloomy and doomy environment. It is up to you to take advantage of this offering. Over the next few months, you will be getting a good overview of, in general, Salesforce administration. To expect in 2 months, you will become as a rock star as what Devendra is, who has 15 years of experience, or as Amrapali is, who has about 9.5 years of experience. You're kidding yourself. You will get a good overview. You will understand end-to-end the Salesforce administration lifecycle and the roles and responsibilities. If you were to attend our job placement sessions also parallelly, I will assure you, by the time you come to the tail end of your training, you will be market ready towards your job placement interviews. And with the help of our sales and marketing team, along with the vendors and our trainers, when we work as a one team, that much needed miracle and the magic happens, which is placement for some of you. Why I say some of you? Because in spite of me saying loud and clear, please be proactive, and giving you an example, crying baby gets the milk. Still, some of the students will not do that, will not walk that extra mile. And hence those who stay proactive, who are always glued into the trainers as well as with our job placement team, will be the first to get on a project, which is within 2 months, you'll be in and out. That's your choice, that's your prerogative, whether you want to crawl you want to walk, you want to run, or you want to sprint, we are with you. We would love you to run and sprint so that we can expedite your efforts towards getting a job. We can work with optimal synergy where all the functions works together towards helping you find that much needed job. So without doing any further ado, I once again congratulate you all. Taking that next step, making that decision that you want to give it a shot, that itself like battle half won. The remaining 50%, it all depends upon your consistency and your proactive efforts. If you give me your 100%, we will help you get a job within few months. That's an assurance from us. This model works beautifully during the pandemic. Please take advantage of the hundreds of previous recordings which we have. Devendra and Amrapali will share the repository of those few hundred videos, which is nothing but the previous recorded tracks. The key here of learning is day one of the previous session, day one of this session. 70-80% will be the same. Day two of previous session, day two of this session, which will happen day after, will be more or less the same. So the key ingredient here is, if I would be you, be like a kid in a candy shop. Go through those few hundred videos in your spare time, during weekdays, weekends, find time, so that when you attend the session, you don't come with a blank slate. It becomes more meaningful, more interactive, more insightful, because you have already watched from the previous track a similar session. So 70-80% content remains the same. What differs is the student participation. So the more insightful, more knowledgeable, more proactive you are, the better learned student you will be. So thank you once more for allowing me to speak. I wish you all best wishes on behalf of Guru Schools. I look forward to seeing each one of you along with these training sessions in our job placement session, which is every Tuesday and Thursday. We host the job placement session at 2 p.m. Eastern Time and 7 p.m. Eastern Time. The communication is posted in the groups. All you got to do is read it, put it in your calendar, and remember to attend it. Thank you, Devendra Amrapali, for allowing me to speak. I wish you all my best wishes and good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.
If you have any questions for me, basically, I will drop from this session. I have another call at 9:30, but thank you for allowing me to speak and good luck.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Dev.
Okay, guys. Can you guys introduce yourself like one by one to the team?
I can go first.
Yep.
Hi, my name is Janani. I'm from California. And I've already got my Salesforce admin certification, but I just wanted to brush up my knowledge and get placed. So that's the reason and intent of my training over here. Thank you so much.
Great. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Spurti. I'm from Minnesota. I'm looking for non-coding IT job. So I just came across the Salesforce, and I'm looking forward to have a career in Salesforce. Yeah. Thank you.
Next.
Hi, I can go next. My name is Donna. I stay in North Carolina, and I don't have an IT background. I'm looking forward to make an IT career, and that's the reason here. I've heard that Salesforce is not very technical, so I thought of giving it a try, and that's the reason I'm here today. Thank you.
Hi, myself, I'm Shailaja. Actually, I'm the old student of this Guru school only. Because of some personal reasons, I'm not able to attend the previous classes. So that's what from today onwards, I want to be sincere for the classes. And I do live in Charlotte, North Carolina. And yeah. Before Devendra and Amrapali are my teachers. So they do teach us a very good Salesforce training. I do like their teaching as well. So yeah, I want to brush up myself again. So that's what I enjoy.
Yeah, thank you, Shailaja.
Hi. Yeah, this
Hi,
is Derek. Can I speak?
Yeah, sure.
Hi everyone. This is Derek. I live in Maryland, and I got my certification in Salesforce admin 1. I have a college degree in cybersecurity and computer networks. So I came across Salesforce through a friend of mine. So I stumbled on Guru School on LinkedIn. So I tried to find out exactly what they're doing. So I found out something interesting about like the mentorship program and the class and resume and placement. So the reason why I'm here is just because I want to get mentorship, then brush up my skills and the placement. So it's my pleasure to be part of this class and really connect with the rest of the students and network and eventually get a job. Thank you.
Thank you, Derek.
Hi, this is Kavita. I'm from Texas. I chose Salesforce because I don't have any computers background and I wanted to build my career in IT.
Your voice is breaking, Kavita.
Yes, your voice is breaking, Kavita.
Are you able to hear me now?
A
Hello.
little bit. Yeah, a little better now.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Kavita. I stay in Texas. I chose Salesforce because I don't have any IT background and I wanted to build my career in IT.
Hi everyone, this is Swapna. I have a previous 5 years of mainframes experience and I have a career gap. And I'm a previous batch student in Salesforce. So I finished my Salesforce admin certification and I'm preparing for the advanced certification. Yeah, that's it. Looking for the job as well.
Okay,
thank you.
Great.
Hi, my name is Kalavati. I have a 14 years of IT experience, but again, I have a 13 years of gap. So I want to restart my career. And I attended this Salesforce training in the last batch. and I'm continuing this batch also, but I'm hoping to gain more confidence in the subject matter. And I'm also preparing for the certification now. And that's from me.
Okay, great.
Hi, this is Sumati and I'm in Virginia. I'm a teacher. I'm running my own academy. I'm a chess teacher and I'm a chess player. And I don't have IT background, so I want to change my career to teaching into IT. So I'm here, so I choose the Salesforce. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Okay, great. Yep. So let me introduce myself. So myself Devendra. So carrying good years of experience in Salesforce ecosystem. So currently I'm working as a Salesforce consultant for one of the US client, and I have worked with multiple US clients. So I will be helping you with the training, as well as like if you have any doubts about certifications, if any questions you have across, so you can send me, ask me on WhatsApp or in group or in on the email, and I will be helping you to build your resume as well. So so we both are here to help you. So you guys can reach out to us anytime. So based on our like availability, we will be connecting with you, and we'll be helping you with you. So I have Amrapali with me. So she will be introducing herself, and then we'll start with the session. Thank you.
Thank you, Devendra. Hi, everyone. My name is Amrapali, and I have like 8 to 9 years of experience in Salesforce in ecosystem as a Salesforce admin, as BA as well as consultant. So right now I'm working as a Salesforce consultant for US client for my current project, and my earlier project was for European clients. So yeah, if you have any questions, doubts, so you can directly ping on group. We have a Salesforce group there. You can directly ping, or you can reach out to us individually as well. Thank you so much, guys, and welcome to group.
Thank you.
Yeah. So I guess like apart from some people, like everyone have Salesforce account, right?
Yes.
No, I don't have any Salesforce account.
Even I
Yes,
don't
yes.
have.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're asking about the Trailhead?
No. Salesforce developer free account, where we will be practicing our hands-on.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll do one thing. Kavita, Dona, or Spurti, like one of them can share the screen. So we'll guide you how to create the developer free edition account, wherein we can do the hands-on.
Okay.
I just sent one in the chat, one link that you need to open while sharing the screen.
Okay. I can share my screen.
Yeah, sure.
Do we have to click the link too, or only Spruti?
No. Like first, let her create one account. Then, like you can also follow the same.
Okay.
Are you able to see my screen?
No.
Okay. Okay, I think it's my system is just trying to, like going for system preferences. Can somebody else try instead of wasting time? Like I just have to see the setup settings here.
No worries. Donna, you can.
Yeah, I'm trying. Are you all able to see?
Yes.
Yes. That link you need to copy and paste it on the URL. Yeah. Make it a full screen. Okay, here you need to write your first name, last. Your valid email address. Yes. Administrator. You can write anything. Yep.
It says company name. So are we supposed to put any company name?
No, like
It's
it
a
is not
username. So
username.
you'll have to, write your username in the format of your email address. So
Like you can
username.
No, for the company name. So I can just write anything in this company space under the role, like, does it have to be like
Okay, okay. You what? Yeah, understood. What you can do is you can enter there as GuruSchools.
What is it?
GuruSchools.
Okay.
I just pinged you. Like you can write Donna Joseph @abc.com.
Okay.
But I would recommend, Donna, if you put your company name as GuruSchool like everybody else, and as well as the username as well. I mean, at guruschools.com. In the username where you have used ABC. Yeah. You will receive an email from Salesforce.
You need to open your email ID, Gmail ID.
I have not received it yet.
Yeah, you will. It takes some time.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Did you have open your inbox?
Yeah, I was checking it on the other laptop and it's not yet here.
Okay.
Oh no, I have not yet received it.
If the email address is valid, then you will receive in some time. You just have to keep refresh and check whether you have received or not.
Okay.
The email address is valid, right?
Yes, that's my email address.
Yeah.
I have received it.
Okay. So there you will see a button verify. It would be great if you open the same in this screen, so that everyone will be able to see how you received the email and what they have to follow the steps.
Okay, sure.
While generating the password, if you want, you can stop the screen sharing.
Yeah, I'll just stop it for a second.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see my screen?
No.
Not yet.
Are you able to see now?
No.
Now I'm
Still
sharing it.
No. Everyone else can see the screen?
No.
Nothing.
Yeah.
No.
There's the participant we can see, right?
Seriously.
Donna, you can do one thing. You can like again join the meeting. I think something wrong is there because earlier like you were able to share. Yeah, now it is. We can see.
You can see. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so you receive an email like this where your username is there. So you'll have to take a note of your username for the future references. And to verify your account, there is a blue button, verify account. So once you click on that account, it will ask you to generate your password. And once you generate the password, you will be logged in in Salesforce automatically.
You click on change password.
Yes.
Where do I go next?
Okay, so now this means you have successfully logged in your Salesforce org. Just to make sure that you are able to log in, log out. Okay, what you can do is you can just log out from this system and then try login back. So in order to log out, what you'll have to do is on the right top corner, we have a view profile button, which is a circle where you can see your profile pic. Yes, click on that. And now there is a button called log out. Okay, now remember that whenever you want to log in Salesforce, okay, for the production or developer org, there is a link, a standard link, which is login.salesforce.com. So you can close this tab and try, from the scratch. So close this tab and in a new tab, open. What happened, Donna? Did you stop the screen sharing?
No, it got stopped on its own. I'm trying to share it again.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, you can try the link, which is login.salesforce.com. Let me put it in the chat.
Login.salesforce.com, right?
Yes, right. .com. That's it. And now enter.
Okay.
Okay. Now enter your username and password. You might have received an email from Salesforce with the code. You'll have to enter that code here.
Okay.
Okay, it means you are able to log in and in Salesforce work successfully. That's great.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so everyone can follow the same steps. Devendra has shared the link in the chat section. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to just copy that link, enter your details over there. Okay, enter your valid email address. The username should be in the email format, and then create your Salesforce account.
I do have one question. I do have before only the account, but I am not able to open right now because I haven't used it since for a while. So I need to do it again, create it again.
When did you create that? Account?
Like in August.
Okay. I think it has 90 days of policy to change the passwords. If you know your username and password, you can try logging in. Okay, it will ask you to change your password. Do you have your username and password for the Salesforce?
I did try that one, but it is not coming up.
Okay. If you are not able to log in, then I think you'll have to create a new one because only you have access to that particular org, and we cannot even reach out to Salesforce support for like a developer edition org because it's a practice org, right?
So in the chat, I had to press the link from the chat and I had to open the org again. Create.
Yes, that link is to for creating a new account.
Yeah, I do have an account before, but username and the password.
Yeah, that's the reason you will have to create new one.
Yeah.
Devendra? Yeah, Vipul.
Are you there? Okay.
Yes. I have also shared a Trailhead link also in the chat.
So Donna, can you do one thing? Devendra has shared the Trailhead link as well. So just copy that link and paste it in a different tab. So keep the window as it is. You just have to click on the, open the new tab, right? So there is a link called trailhead.salesforce.com. Enter that link over here. Yes. Okay, now here, as you don't have your, Trailhead account, you will have to first sign up. So click on sign up. Click on Salesforce. Enter your username and password. Yeah, enter your first name, last name. Yes, it's correct. Click on next. Enter company name, your job title.
So the job title would be administrator?
Yes. Non-customer prospect.
Can I click done?
Yes. Okay. Now your says Trailhead account is also created. So this is, a platform for learning Salesforce. And this is, from the Salesforce itself, they have introduced this new platform for their customers or their partners to learn Salesforce from scratch. Okay, so here in Trailhead we have different modules. So what you can do is you can complete those modules as well. Could you please scroll up? Scroll up. No, I mean to say scroll up. You'll have to go up. Little bit. Okay, yeah, that's it. So here we have different tabs, learn, credentials, right? So if you click on learn, then you will be able to find different modules, trails, and trail mixes. Okay, so if you just click on trails, there I believe you will be able to find admin basic trail. You'll have to search, I believe so. Or what I will do, I will share that link with you guys as well for admin basic.
Amrapali, I have a question. Actually, I previously had a Salesforce account, and I was just again trying to create one. And it says your access to salesforce.com has been disabled by your system administrator. Please contact your administrator for more information. Just now I created a new one, but it's still not allowing me to, log into the Salesforce.
You have created a new one right now?
Yes, right now.
And still you're not able to access it?
No.
Okay. Devendra, what can we do here?
Like Spurti, can you do one thing? Can you share your screen so
Yeah.
exactly what is happening we can see?
Okay.
Should I stop sharing?
Yes, Donna. What I will do, I will share the Trailhead trail link for admin basics very well. And all of you follow the same, steps. First, you'll have to create a developer org, and then you'll have to create your Trailhead org if you don't have one.
Okay. Screen recording. Okay.
Spurti, can you share your screen?
Yeah.
Kavita, have you created your account? Janani, Kavita.
No, I'm doing it.
Okay.
I already have an account, so I'm just using
Yeah,
that.
yeah, I got it.
For some reason, I'm not able to actually, my laptop is, giving me this security system preferences and not allowing me to share the screen. Wow. Okay.
Because the thing is that whenever we are working in an organization, so we do get such error, please contact your system admin. So what we do, we can connect to the people who has created our account. So the people,
So basically means it's me who created, like it
It's
just
right.
happened. Yeah, previous
Right. It's your developer org, and that's the reason you are the only one who has your account over there. In this scenario, I will suggest you to reach out to Salesforce support. I believe they should help you, log in your system.
Salesforce. Okay. Yeah, because with the previous one also I had the same issues. If you remember, Devendra, I sent you a message that I'm not able to log into it.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah, I was like, the same thing happened, but again, it generated something. It gives its own URL, right? So through that, I was able to just log into one of the playgrounds, and from there I used to navigate to different things. But actually, my username and password would never work. So I think I need to contact the Salesforce support team.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll do that. So yeah, okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
No problem.
Any questions, anyone?
Okay, we'll consider it as no. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. We'll see the theoretical, from the next session.
Okay.
In the meantime, you all create your Salesforce org as well as your Trailhead org, and check whether you are able to log in there successfully or not. Okay, and just refer this today's recording for that as well, because sometimes it happens that you are able to understand everything, but when you try to do it on your own, you get confused, and then you don't know what to do and what not to do. So just I will recommend that refer this today's session. Madonna has shared her screen. Okay, then that's it for today, guys. See you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.